All right, let's check what y'all got on number 5 before we do a different type. Amelia's got the answer. That's root 2. Amelia, what's this side going to be right here? Root 2. All right, Grant, how do I do this side? How do I find the hypotenuse on number 5?
You plug it in. Root 2 times root 2.
Root 2 times root 2. Put it in your calculator. What's it give you?
Cancel out the roots, gives you 2.
Grant says 2. Everybody good? All right, so 1 and 5, same kind of problem. Let's go to number 2. All right, number 2 has 24. This side is x, this side is y. Okay, what do I know about the answer on the side that's x and y? They're going to be the same. It's going to be equal. We find one of them, we got the other one. All right, this time they have given us the hypotenuse. So look at your formula. That means they have already multiplied it by root 2. So if we go backwards, Skylar, we just have to divide it by root 2. So y'all put it in your calculator. 24 divided by root 2. Tell me what to write. 12 root 2. Okay? So this side is 12 root 2. This side is 12 root 2. We'll see if we can find a shortcut to that so we don't have to plug that in the calculator every time. And let's do another one and see if the shortcut works for all the problems. That's right. Let's go to 3.
So that's the answer.
That's the answer. That's all you do. All right, number 3. We got an x, we got a y, we got a 16. So, same deal. They have given us the hypotenuse. So if you look at your formula, they have already multiplied it by root 2. So if I got to go backwards, what do I do? We have to divide by root 2. So based on our first problem, let's see if it works. We're going to take half of the number on top, which is 8, and put a root 2 beside it. So put that in your calculator. See if that's what it's going to give us. It does work. So that's a little shortcut. If you can memorize that step, you want to put it in your calculator. We can just do the shortcut and write the answer. All right, that's 3. Let's go to 4. Question on 3 before I erase it. All right, we got 4. We got 4 root 2. Okay, same thing. They have already multiplied it by root 2. What do we have to do if we want to go backwards to a leg? We got to divide it by root 2. Now, guys, look. You don't have to put this in the calculator. Look at it. What's going to happen? Yeah, root 2's are going to cancel. What's my answer? So this side's 4, this side's 4. All right, we've already done 5. Y'all do 6. I'll wait on you on number 7. All right, number 6. What's y'all's answer for both sides? 18 root 2. Everybody good? All right, let's do 7. All right, number 7 says, find the length of a diagonal of a square. Everybody go ahead and draw a square up under number 7. Everybody draw a square. Did you get 7 and 8? Check. Good. Everybody draw a square under number 7. All right, it says find the length of a diagonal. What's a diagonal? It's the hypotenuse. It's the line that goes through the square, remember, from one corner to the other. That's your diagonal. So, find the length of a diagonal of a square with sides that are 12 inches long. So they're saying this side's 12, this side's 12, this side's 12, and this side's 12. All right, so how does that match up with our formula, or does it? Or can we use the formula to find that? Yeah, because the legs are the same. Anytime the legs are the same, you just got to find the hypotenuse. So what's my answer going to be for the hypotenuse? Very good, 12 root 2. Write it in, we'll go to 8. All right, let's read 8. Find the length of a side of a square whose diagonal is 8 inches. So now our diagonal is 8. How can we use the formula now to find the sides of the legs? And how'd you get that answer in?
by
8 divided by root 2 will give you the answer. Anna says it's 4 root 2. So that's 4 root 2 on every side for your answer. All right, now the front, the 45, 45, 90 triangle, that's the easy one. Let's do the back now. The back's a little harder. You guys did this in geometry. No, you didn't. Any question on 7 or 8? You got them? Let me erase all this.
Just right what now I gave you. You can't go any farther.
All right, we have a new formula. Look at the top of your page on the back, the 30, 60, 90 diagram at the top. That gives you the new formula that we're going to use for number 1. All right, the easiest way to do the 30, 60, 90, I think. Find the 30-degree side first. And why are we finding that one first? Because that one is the one on your formula that's just marked X. So if you're doing it that way, if you're finding the 30-degree side first, it's going to make it easier. So, number 1, what did they give us on number 1? 4 root 3 is over here. All right, this side's 4 root 3. So, I just said find the 30-degree side first. We want to find that side. How can we look at our formula? How can we use the formula to help us find this side?
Because X is 4 right there, so it'd be 4.
All right, Grant's saying X is 4 right here. So basically, I like to look at it this way. This side was X, right? How did they go from this side to this side? They multiplied it by root 3. So what are we going to do if we go backwards? Divide it by root 3. So y'all take 4 root 3 divided by root 3. You can do that in your head. What's going to happen? What's your answer? This side is 4. Good.
Where did you get the numbers from?
All right, Grant, do you see where they had 4 root 3? Okay. Do you see the formula at the top of the page where they had this? Okay, so what I did, Amelia, I looked at the 30-degree side because you always have to start on the 30-degree side. And on the formula, if they went from the 30-degree side to the 60-degree side, they just multiplied by square root of 3. Which means from here to here, if they multiplied by root 3, I know I got to go backwards, so I divided by root 3. All right, now, how about the hypotenuse? Look at the formula. What's it tell you? How do you get from here to here? Multiply by 2. All right, 4 times 2 is 8. That side's easy. So once you find the 30-degree side, everything else kind of works itself out. All right, question on 1. All right, let's go to number 2. We got an X, we got a Y. Guys, this one looks just like number 1.
Yes.
Y'all mark it out. We'll skip 2. Let's go to 3. That was just a mistake.
Wait, what? What about number 1?
2 is exactly like number 1, same exact number, so let's just skip that one. Let's go to 3. All right, number 3 is going to be the easiest type problem we can have on a 3069. How come? Because look, yeah, I've already said always start on the 30-degree side. Well, they are giving us the 30-degree side answer on this one, so it's going to make it very easy.
2 does look like 1, but you started a different place.
Yeah, but yeah. How do we go from here to here, guys? What does it say we got to do? 9 times 2 is 18. That's really
I
easy.
gave you just the one on that side. You gonna do it?
Oh, I don't know how to do this now.
All right, so Amelia, once you get an answer here, Amelia, go back to the 30-degree side. And on your formula, how did they go from here to here? What did they times by? Square root of 3, so it's just 9 root 3. So I thought 3 was the easiest one on this side by far.
Because they gave
Number
you.
one.
Because they gave us a 30-degree side.
Whatever you say, Coach Harry, not the leader.
All right, let's go to 4. All right, number 4, the only thing they're giving us is this side. All right, Amelia, which side have I said I want you to start on or find first?
The 30.
So we want to find this side right here first. Okay, so I'm going to look at my formula. And I know if I start on the 30 and I go to the 60, or I go over here, they want me to times it by root 3. So now if I'm going backwards, I gotta divide by root 3. So on your calculator, what is 6 divided by root 3? Somebody do that for me. 2 root 3? All right. Now, I'll let y'all punch that in your calculator, but you should get 2 root 3. That's what everybody else is saying they got. All right, last side should be the easiest one out of these three. How do I find the hypotenuse on this one? All right, it says times by 2. Okay, hold on. Which one of these numbers do I times by 2? Nope, just one of them. So the one in the front, yeah. 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. I would not say these are easy. Go ahead.
Once you got that in the calculator, like the 2 root 3, you look back in your formula and then just multiply.
And it shows you what the times by. You go up here and you look, it says times by 2. Yeah, and you could just plug in 2 root 3 times 2 a million. It would give you that. Just plug it straight in. All right, you guys try number 5. It's just like number 4, so do number 5.
Thank you for saying that. Because I was
Amelia's got her sweatshirt on.
That's what I was gonna say, Coach.
Every day,
She wears
90
a
degrees
sweatshirt.
outside, she's wearing her sweatshirt.
Yeah, and she gonna complain about it being hot in this room.
Because it was cold in the rest of the school.
All right, let's see what y'all got on number 5. All right, Wyatt, which side do we have to find first? So we got to find this side first. So they gave us the 60 degree, which means if I look at my formula, they have already multiplied it by root 3. I got to go backwards. Y'all got to divide that by root 3. Somebody do that for me.
6 root 3.
6 root 3 is correct. What do I do to find the hypotenuse right here?
Times it by 2.
Which one of these two numbers do I times by 2?
6.
Okay, so it's 12 root 3.
Oh, wow, Amelia. Good job.
No, I'm good. Y'all got it.
All right, let's do number 6.
You're good at this.
No, I'm
You said you're good. There's 60.
All right, number 6, they had kind of a misprint on it, so I'm going to read it for you.
I was only saying that because of equal and triangle.
Right. All right, number 6. One side of an equilateral triangle, but they didn't say in the problem how much one side equals. So, Amelia, if it says it's an equilateral triangle, that means what? All the sides are equal. Okay? So I want you guys to draw this shape for number 6. I got a triangle where all the sides are equal, and I've got an altitude right down the middle. Draw that shape, and then we'll do number 6.
Should we put like a dotted line down the middle?
I don't care.
This shows it's altitude, longitude, triangle.
All right. So they did not give us a number on this one, River. So I'm going to say let's make each side 12. So that side's 12. This side is 12. And if the bottom is 12, how far is it from here to here? How far is it from here to here? Okay, good. So label that.
Trying to measure the altitude of the triangle.
Now, how can we use our formula to help us find this missing side right here?
Well, we multiply by root 3.
Yeah, the formula says, look, take what you had here on the 30-degree side and multiply it by root 3. So what's my answer going to be? 6 root 3.
I thought we used to do something else to find that angle. Like a squared. Yeah. A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. But this is if you look at the paper, does it say special triangle? These are special cases where you have to know these formulas and not that formula. Okay? All right, so everybody good on that? All right, everybody get out your sheet that we started on. Wait a minute. Do I want to do that?
Yeah.
You said we were going to our paper until after break.
It's a Monday.
Y'all break? Let's go to break.
I was saying that we said we didn't need the little.
It's been 30 minutes. Let's go to break.
Are we going to need this paper out?
No, I think I'm going to give you a different.
Are you going to run the formula on this?
I will always have the formulas on me.